Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to use TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer. So TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer is a powerful tool designed to help YouTubers find the best keywords to optimize their videos for search. And I'm going to show you step by step how to use it. So the first step is installing TubeBuddy. Go to the search bar and search for Chrome Web Store. Now click on Chrome Web Store and search for TubeBuddy in the Chrome extension bar. So click on TubeBuddy. Now you'll have to click on the install button that you will see just right here. So I've already installed this TubeBuddy extension, so I will not see install button. Instead, I'm seeing remove from Chrome. So you'll have to basically click on install button just right here. And after installing TubeBuddy extension, you will have to open YouTube Studio. So install TubeBuddy extension and open YouTube on your PC. After opening YouTube, you will have to make sure that you're signed up and logged in with TubeBuddy on your account. So I've already signed up on TubeBuddy, and if you want to learn how to sign up, I've created another video showing this. So go to our channel and search for signing up on TubeBuddy. Now after coming to YouTube, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and click on YouTube Studio. And once you're in YouTube Studio, you should see the TubeBuddy extension on the right side of the screen. So click on this TubeBuddy extension on the right side to open the TubeBuddy menu. Now navigate to the first option, that is Keyword Explorer. So within this TubeBuddy menu, you will find various tools and features. Click on Keyword Explorer. After that, you will see this page opening up. And on this page, go to the search bar where we can enter the keyword or phrase that we want to explore. So type in the keyword related to your video content. For example, I will search for tutorial and click on Explore. Now TubeBuddy will display various metrics related to the keyword you entered, including search volume, competition, and overall score. These metrics will help you determine the potential effectiveness of the keyword for your video. Now, TubeBuddy will also provide you a list of related keywords that you can explore, and this can help you discover additional keywords to include in your video title, description, and tags. On this page, you will see the summary and click on results to see the results for this keyword. Now after we click on summary, as we can see, we have search volume, unweighted competition, optimization strength, videos in search results, and monthly search estimate. Now you can also click on Google and see the search for Google on this topic. You can click on topics and tags. You can also go to action and add to a topic plan. And you can also go to action and optimize in SEO Studio, copy to clipboard, or copy to tag list. You can also create a new list by clicking on this plus new list icon and name this list anything and click on OK. And there you'll have a new list appearing. So use filters and sorting options to refine your keyword search further. You can click on Explore and in the filter, click on Filter, click on All, and you have only 3 of 215 total results shown. You'll have to upgrade your license to view all the results. So click on Upgrade now and upgrade to a Pro license to get enhanced results with TubeBuddy. Now we have just 3 of 215 total results that is being shown. And after selecting your keywords, you can apply them directly to your video by clicking on the Apply button. TubeBuddy will automatically update your video's metadata with the selected keywords, making it more optimized for search. And also, you'll have to keep track of how your video performs in search results over time. TubeBuddy provides analytics and tracking features that allow you to monitor the effectiveness of the keywords you have targeted. In order to access them, click on the TubeBuddy at the right corner and you will see a list of options. You can go to SEO Studio to optimize your studio for your keywords. So by following these steps, you can effectively use TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer to optimize your YouTube videos for better search visibility and reach a larger audience. So that was a simple overview of how to use TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.